Oy, bro.
Oh.
Ready?
Tara, doon tayo sa kotse ko.
Hihintayin ko lang si Mrs.
O sige, teka, bibelta lang ako.
Thank you, ha. Ayan.
Akala ko ba family thing?
Yeah, it is. Kaso, tumawag sa akin si Ian kanina eh. Wala rin siya gagawin. Kaya, naisip ko, sama na natin. Han, come on, just think of him as, extended family. Para si Ses, si Pao, ganun. It'll be fun.
Okay, kunin ko lang si Joshua, ha?
Okay.
Hey! Joshua!
Joshua! Look on!
What are Mommy eating? What?
Ian, okay ka lang ba dyan? Sigurado ka?
Okay lang, ako muna babysitter ni Joshua. Mag-date muna kayo dyan.
Han, did I tell you Ian was a nice guy?
Look,
Hey!
Look, Joshua!
Oy!
Did you just burp? Did you just burp?
Ay,
Jesus!
Ang cute ng anak mo.
Kaya wala akong drinks.
Sige, bro.
Joshua, say hi to the Ian.
Hi.
Hi. Five. 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 Five.
Five, five.
Five. Five.
Five, five.
Huh?
Five, five. Remember five, five?
Yay! Oh! Bless, bless.
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 Bless. Ooh.
Yes.
Nagtataka siya.
Yes. Remember bless?
Huh?
What's that? What's that? What's that? Oh, cute pala eh.
Oh, you're cute though, Joshua.
What's that? What's that?
Joshua, look at mommy.
Oh, look at mommy. Oh, look at mommy.
Saan aabuti